Aucto support team here. Welcome back to our cataloging series. In this video, we're going to focus on the key fields that have the biggest impact on your asset's valuation and ultimately a buyer's decision to act. The first things to focus on are the must-have inputs that affect price accuracy. Always enter the OEM or manufacturer and the model of the asset. These are required. When they match our database, many of the key specifications will automatically populate for you, which saves time and ensures accuracy. Next, the year of manufacture is strongly recommended. This helps buyers understand the age of the equipment and also improves pricing accuracy. Including a serial number is helpful too, and if you're listing on-road fleet vehicles, a VIN is mandatory. Don't forget to include condition and usage. That means hours, mileage, or other relevant metrics, which should go in the condition details field. If your asset is custom engineered or rare, type in the critical specifications manually so buyers know exactly what they're getting. A good rule of thumb is to think about what you would want to know if you were buying the asset yourself. Next, make sure you choose the most accurate category for your asset. This is important because it determines where your asset appears on the marketplace and which buyers are likely to see it. If you're unsure about a more specific subtype, like the difference between centrifugal pumps or a diaphragm pump, it's fine to select the parent category, such as pumps. Our team reviews all listings before they go live and will double check the category to make sure it's placed correctly. Condition matters a lot to buyers, and including video proof can make a big difference. If your asset is in poor condition or better, try to add a short operational video. This protects the condition rating you've assigned and helps maintain a strong valuation range. On the other hand, if there's no video and the condition is uncertain, our team may mark it as a no, which can lower the recovery value. Now let's talk about practical specifications. Different types of assets require different details. For fleet vehicles or trucks, buyers care about mileage, transmission type, and engine details. For CNC machines, include axis travel, spindle RPM, tool magazine capacity, work envelope, power, and hours. Air compressors need horsepower, CFM tank size, PSI, and hours. Washers and furnaces should list capacity, temperature range, and voltage. For bulk parts, include the part name, size, quantity per box or pallet, and OEM. The general rule is simple. If including a detail would make you feel more confident buying it yourself, it's worth putting in the listing. Documents are another key piece. Manuals and engineering drawings should be marked as public because buyers rely on them to assess fit. Titles are mandatory for on-road fleet. Internal or financial documents that you don't want buyers to see should be marked private. Even though buyers can't view them, Octo still uses these files to verify and evaluate your listing. Before you click Add Asset, skim through your entry and check that all of the essential details are there. OEM, model, year of manufacture, condition and usage, category dimensions or weight, and at least 6 strong photos. Then ask yourself, would a buyer feel ready to bid on this asset today? If the answer is yes, you're done and your listing is ready to go. And that's it. Entering these details the right way helps drive accurate pricing and builds trust with buyers. Up next, we'll cover photo and video capture best practices to make your listing stand out even more.